If you've ever needed a script, a data tool, or a quick automation but felt blocked because you're not a developer, Claude Code is about to change that. It lives in your terminal and acts like a senior engineer sitting next to you. You describe what you want, and it builds, runs, and fixes the code in real time. First, you need Claude Code installed. Open your terminal and run npm install g at anthropic.ai/Claude Code. This is a one-time setup, and it requires Node.js. If you don't have it, download it free from nodejs.org in about 2 minutes. You'll also need an Anthropic API key from your account at anthropic.com. Now navigate into the folder where you want Claude Code to work. Type cd followed by your folder path. This is important because Claude Code reads and writes files relative to wherever you launch it. Think of this folder as its workspace. You want your relevant files, like CSVs, scripts, or data, already sitting here. Type Claude and hit enter to launch the tool. You'll see a prompt appear. This is your conversational interface with a coding agent that can read your files, write code, run it, and iterate. No IDE required, no switching windows. You work entirely in this terminal session. Now just describe what you want in plain English. For example, read sales_data.csv, calculate total revenue by region, and save the output to summary.csv. The more specific you are about your inputs, outputs, and format, the better the result. You don't need to know Python or the right library. Claude Code figures that out. Before Claude Code touches any file, it shows you what it plans to do, step by step. Read this carefully. You want to confirm it's reading the right file, writing to the right place, and not doing anything unexpected. This review beat is your safety net, especially when files could be overwritten. Approve only when the plan looks right. Once you approve, Claude Code writes the script, runs it, and shows you the output, all inside the same terminal. If there's an error, it reads the error message and fixes the code automatically. This back-and-forth debugging loop, which could take a junior developer an hour, often resolves in seconds. Open the output file and actually check it. Does the math look right? Are the columns labeled correctly? Claude Code is powerful but not infallible. A quick sanity check against your source data takes 30 seconds and protects you from shipping a mistake downstream. Spot anything off? Just tell Claude Code exactly what's wrong and ask it to fix it. The real power is iteration. Once the base task works, you can build on it conversationally. Ask it to add a chart, reformat the output, filter by date, or email the results. Each follow-up builds on the code already in your folder. You're essentially pair programming at full speed without needing to know the syntax yourself. Install once, navigate to your folder, launch Claude, describe your task in plain English, review the plan, and verify the output. That's the full loop. Tasks that used to mean hiring a freelancer or wrestling with Stack Overflow for an afternoon now take minutes. Try it this week on a real file you've been putting off, a messy CSV, a report you need automated, or a data pull you do every month.